Ouch! That's deeper than I thought. It's already bleeding.
Clean it up.
Inside, the soldiers are already on the move. They're sealing the breach.
They're locking arms.
First line of defense, in place.
The cleanup crew is here.
No invader will survive.
This stings. But it's worth it.
The net is in place. The breach is sealed tight. They've called in more troops. Extra supplies are here.
All safe now. My body will take care of the rest.
Rebuilding brick by brick. This wall will be stronger.
Almost gone. Battle well fought.
Our bodies are warriors. Even the smallest cut is a victory.